Hello guys, welcome to unboxing of the 5 TB Seagate USB drive. It's a Seagate portable. So we'll quickly open and see what they have given us. Some receipt or warranty, yeah. Expansion 5 TB external, and this is invoice. Okay. So this is the new model of Seagate expansion. Previously it had a diamond cut finish. It's something different. I'm planning to shuck this drive, and it's supposed to be a Barracuda inside, 5200 RPM. Let us see what all we get inside the box. So some paperwork. Okay. Drive itself, and a USB type A to type C cable, not type C but USB B type 3.0 cable. Okay, so feels good, premium in hand, substantial weight to it, hefty, nice. Need to check it for bad sectors though. Yeah, thank you for watching.